Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the best Android web browsers that serve as excellent alternatives to Google Chrome in 2024. While Chrome is popular, these browsers offer unique features and benefits that might just make you switch. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's quickly discuss why you might want to consider alternatives to Chrome on your Android device. While Chrome is feature packed and familiar, it's known for consuming a lot of RAM and battery life. Plus, some users are concerned about Google's data collection practices. These alternatives we're exploring today offer solutions to these concerns and more. Let's start with Mozilla Firefox. Known for its commitment to privacy and open source development, Firefox is a favorite among users who prioritize security and customizations. It offers enhanced tracking protection, which blocks trackers and speeds up your browsing. It also syncs seamlessly with your desktop browser, keeping your bookmarks and history accessible across devices. In terms of performance, Firefox is fast and responsive. Its clean interface and extensive add-on library make it highly customizable to fit your browsing style. Next up, we got Brave browser. Brave takes a bold stance on privacy by blocking ads and trackers by default, promising faster browsing and improved security. Brave includes built-in ad blocking and HTTPS everywhere for secure connection. It also introduces Brave Rewards, allowing you to earn cryptocurrency for viewing privacy-respecting ads. In terms of speed, Brave performs admirably well. Its user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it a compelling choice for privacy-conscious users. Moving on to Opera browser, known for its innovative features and efficiency, Opera offers a range of tools designed to enhance your browsing experiences. It compresses web traffic, saving data and speeding up browsing on slower connection. It also includes a free VPN for enhanced privacy and security. Now let's talk about Microsoft Edge. Formerly known as Microsoft Internet Explorer's successor, Edge has evolved into a competitive browser with a focus on productivity and integration. It is fast and responsive with a streamlined user interface that prioritizes content. Its cross-platform syncing ensures a seamless experiences across devices. Now let's take a look at DuckDuckGo privacy browser. If privacy is your primary concern, DuckDuckGo is designed to keep your browsing activity private from advertisers and trackers. It blocks third-party trackers by default and provides a privacy grade for each website you visit. It also integrates a privacy-centric search engine that doesn't track your searches. In terms of speed, it is optimized for past performance. Next up, if you're a Samsung user, Samsung Internet Browser is something you're familiar with. It's optimized for Galaxy devices and offers a range of features tailored to Samsung users. Samsung Internet Browser includes ad blocking extensions and content blockers. It also supports Samsung's ecosystem features like Samsung DeX and Bixby integration. Next up, we got a Vivaldi browser. Last but not least, we have Vivaldi browser, known for its highly customizable interface and advanced features. It offers a unique browsing experience tailored to power users. It allows extensive customization of its user interface, including tab management and built-in note-taking tools. It's ideal for users who like to personalize their browsing experience. It is fast and responsive with a focus on productivity and efficiency. Today, We've explored some 7 compelling alternatives to Google from Chrome for Android in 2024. Each browser offers unique features catering to different preferences, whether it's privacy, productivity, or customization. The best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. I encourage you to try out this browser and share your experiences in the comments below. Which one do you think might become your new favorite? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.